Hi there. Welcome to Swedish Odds and Ends, the show where we learn a little bit about everything. Today we find ourselves in the gardening center Vellingeblomman, southeast of Malmo, for an exhibition called räliga Djur, an exhibition of exotic animals, and we're just about to go inside. Won't you join me? The idea with this exhibition is to show off animals that are slightly less usual as pets. Me, for my sake, I am here with my boa constrictor to show her off and to help people who are afraid of these types of animals to realize that they're really not that scary and that they can be really awesome pets if given the right care. We've reached the midpoint of the day and it's time for lunch.
A few moments later.
So, this is Rebecca, one of the people behind the exhibit. Talk me through it. What was the thoughts behind getting it started?
Well, it started with that we brought back the reptiles again at our zoo corner down at their shop. And we were thinking about how can we get people to love more about these animals. Why not have an exhibition showing off that they're nothing to be afraid of and they're lovely animals and very caring pets.
Well, they're very sociable, much more so than people would usually expect. So it's a very good thing to help people understand that. Correct me if I'm wrong, this is the second year you're hosting this event, right?
Yes, it's true.
And you are looking into doing it more?
Of course, because it's a great hit here. I mean, many people that are afraid of spiders or snakes or lizards can come here and face their fears. And many has been cured. actually, and they also gotten some spiders and snakes themselves.
Oh, that's absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
And this little charming lady down here, who is this?
This is Bubbles. She's 15 years old, and her species is the Grammostola pottery.
And she helps people get over their fears of spiders through very concrete interactions like this.
Yeah, she's a very nice, very calm spider. Of all my spiders, she's the nicest one I have.
So she's a perfect ambassador for her species.
Yeah, and also the name helps very much, and also that she's a little bit of pink.
Of course. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure being here, and I'm looking forward to next year. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and I hope that many more will come here and show off their animals in the future as well.
Let's hope so. So that concludes our visit to the tropical exhibition Räliga Djur at Vellingeblomman. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.